we have been asked to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and new balance sheet after all adjustments. Now let us start to solve the sum. First of all, the informations which are being given in your balance sheet, that is going to be recorded to your respective accounts, that is revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet, new balance sheet. Now see, liability side first information, that is your capital. Capital always have credit balance, that means it is recorded on the credit side of your partners capital account. Partners capital account credit side, by balance brought down 4,75,000 and 4 lakh. Second information, that is sundry creditors. Sundry creditors before getting adjustment, sundry creditors that is recorded to your balance sheet liability side 75,000. Next information, that is your general reserve. General reserve, that is accumulated profit and which is going to be distributed among the partners in old profit sharing ratio. That means partners capital account credit side, general reserve, the total amount is 90,000 and which is going to be distributed in equal proportion, that is 45,000 and 45,000. Liability side is over. Let's move to your asset side. Asset side first information is land and building. Land and building, that is 4 lakh. Machinery 2,50,000 inner column because that is having adjustment. Debtors once again that is having adjustment 80,000 inner column. Stock, that is 1,40,000. We do not have any kind of adjustment to your cash and bank balance. That's why cash balance and bank balance on the balance sheet asset side. The last information that is there in your balance sheet, that is your advertisement suspense account. Advertisement suspense account is going to be distributed among the partners on debit side in old profit sharing ratio, that is 2 advertisement suspense account. The amount is 6,000 which is going to be distributed in equal proportion. That's why 1:1, that is 3,000 and 3,000. Now let us move to your adjustment. First adjustment is, concentrate properly, value of stock to be reduced to 1,25,000. That means the stock value is reduced to 1,25,000. That means 50,000 that has been reduced. 15,000 that has been reduced. That's why 1,40,000 minus 15,000, that comes to 1,25,000. As if asset reduces, the only difference amount of 15,000 which has been reduced, that is loss for the firm. That's why it is going to be recorded on debit side of revaluation account, that is to stock account 15,000. Second adjustment, machinery to be decreased by 10%. The value of machinery that is decreased by 10%, asset decreases 2,50,000 into 10%, that means 25,000 that has been reduced. The total amount outer column comes to 2,25,000. Decreased amount of 25,000 machinery reduces, that's why it is going to be recorded on the opposite direction. That's why revaluation account on the debit side to machinery account 25,000. Third adjustment, land and building to be appreciated by 62,000. Appreciation means increase. Appreciated by 62,000, that means plus increase 62,000. Asset increases, that is your gain, and as if it is gain, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. That's why second effect will be given to revaluation account credit side by land and building account 62,000. Next adjustment, that is provision for doubtful debt to be made at 5% on debtors. Provision for doubtful debt, debtors, that is 80,000 minus 5% BDR, that is 4,000. The outer column amount comes to 76,000. 4,000 BDR, that is your loss, and that's why second effect that is going to be recorded on the opposite direction, that is on debit side of revaluation account, that is 2 BDR account, that is 4,000. The last adjustment is creditors of 5,000 are now not to be paid creditors of 5,000 that is not going to be paid. That's why creditors reduces, and as if creditors reduces, that is your gain. Liability reduces, that is your gain. That's why second effect will be recorded on the credit side of revaluation account by creditors account 5,000. All the adjustments that is over. First of all, close revaluation account. Credit side total is more. That's why same total is going to be recorded on the debit side. After deducting all information, you are getting difference of 23,000. This 23,000 that is profit for the firm. The amount is going to be distributed among the partners in old profit sharing ratio. That is in equal proportion. That's why 11,500, 11,500. The effect of profit that is to be given on the credit side of partners capital account, that is by revaluation account, the amount of 11,500, 11,500, that is the revaluation profit. Close your partners capital account, you will get the difference, and this difference of 5,28,500 and 4,53,500, this is the balance of your capital. We are preparing partners capital account. The difference amount of partners capital account, that is called as balance of your capital, partners capital, and this capital is going to be transferred to your liability side. Balance sheet liability side, A and B, two partners are there. The balance amount of 5,28,500 and 4,53,500, that is going to be recorded on the liability side of your balance sheet. That's it, over. Just make it out total of your balance sheet, and balance sheet must have to be tallied. That is 10,52,000, 10,52,000. I hope you have understood properly. I am sending the pic of your solved question also. Go through it, and if you find any question, any query, any doubt, then you may message me personally. Thank you very much.